Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this Smart Band. First we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the D&D icon, Do Not Disturb mode. Once you see this icon, tap on it, and here we have a couple of options. We have on, turn on for 1 hour, turn on for 4 hours, and custom. If you select the on option, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, and it will stay on until you turn it off. The option turn on for 1 hour, it will turn on, and then after 1 hour it will turn off automatically. For the 4 hours option, it's the same as the 1 hour, so basically it will turn on and then turn on off, but after 4 hours. And custom allows you to make a schedule, so it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific times you set, of course. So for now I'm gonna tap on. The Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, and then you can swipe left to go back to watch face. And also on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, swipe right, tap on the icon, and the mode will be disabled. Like I said before, you have this custom option. It allows you to create a schedule for the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you tap on it, enable the custom, and here we have repeat once, start and end. Repeat option basically allows you to select on which days the schedule should be active. Once it will work only once, and then it will turn off. Daily will basically do it every day, and custom allows you to select specific days to work on. And once you select them, you will see them right here, and then you can set up the time frame. And start time is the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and we can change it by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. Okay, and then we have the end time. Again, you can swipe up and down on the hours and minutes. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 11:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. Of course, you can do this also through the settings. You don't need to open the quick panel. You can open the settings. Oh my bad. So tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can find the D&D settings and tap on it. And here you can tap on D&D. And we have the normal D&D. You can tap on the switch to turn it on or off. But you can also set up the custom one by tapping on custom, and you can turn it on or off or change the options to your liking. Okay, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this Smart Band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.